Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Afterpay on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Afterpay is available only for some accounts, so if you do not see it, your account may not be eligible yet. Once your account is ready, look for the Afterpay option inside Cash App. This is usually under the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Afterpay if it is available for you. After tapping on Afterpay, you will see a list of stores and brands that support this feature. You can browse through them and explore the products. Take your time to look at the items and find what you want to buy. When you find an item you like, tap on it to view the details. Then, select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. Cash App will automatically divide the total cost into 4 equal payments. Next, you will see the payment schedule. The first payment is due immediately, and the remaining 3 payments are spread over the next 6 weeks. Make sure to check the dates so you can pay on time and avoid any late fees. Once you confirm the payment, your order will be processed, and you can track your payments inside Cash App. Thanks for watching.